The government is asking us to scrap old vehicles. We don't have enough money to scrap the trucks we already own and buy new ones. The main reason for this is GST 2.0. People's consumption has increased and load movement has gone up. Keeping this in mind, Ashok Leyland is now setting up new scrappage centers. Has your truck become 11 years old? That means you are not doing business. You are donating your entire earnings to the workshop. The government is asking us to scrap old vehicles. But we don't have enough money to scrap the trucks we already own and buy new ones. So what is Ashok Leyland's MD Shenu Agarwal saying about this? He says the scrappage policy needs better incentives. Only then the replacement of old vehicles increases. Right now, the average age of our trucks has reached 11 years old. According to Shenu Agarwal's logic, if a truck has to work productively and profitably, it should be within 8 years of age. As per government data, till December 2025, about 3.94 lakh vehicles have been scrapped. Shenu Agarwal says the current discounts are not enough. He says there is no direct incentives coming from government right now. Only company-provided incentives are available. Ashok Leyland is currently giving discounts from 1% to 3%, but that alone not sufficient. Ashok Leyland MD said that company is expecting more incentives from the government. He is also requesting that incentives should be given based on the vehicle's weight. Only then owners of heavier vehicle will show interest in buying new vehicles. Why? Because in a new trucks, operational costs are much lower. It can move loads faster and productivity is higher. After September to October 2025, sales have suddenly picked up. The main reason for this is GST 2.0. People's consumption has increased and load movement has gone up. Keeping this in mind, Ashok Leyland is now setting up new scrappage centers in Chennai, Ahmedabad and Jaipur. So, how much more incentive do you think the government should give for the trucking industry to benefit properly? Share your thoughts in the comment section and thanks for watching.